All right, guys, question number 15, let's get right into it. So we have this absolutely nasty word problem, but let's try to be as efficient as we can, okay? So we're given this equation. It says the equation above shows how a temperature F measured in degrees Fahrenheit relates to a temperature C measured in degrees Celsius. Based on the equation, which of the following must be true, okay? So let's go ahead and start with this first one here, okay? So a temperature increase of 1 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to a temperature increase of 5/9 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let's look at this equation here. So C equals 5/9 multiplied by the degree in Fahrenheit minus 32, okay? So let's say that F equals 0, and then we go to F equals 1, okay? So we're going to have C equals 5/9 minus 30, multiplied by negative 32, and that's going to go to C equals 5/9 minus 31, okay? So guys, if we have negative 32 5/9, then we have negative 31 5/9. How do I get to here? I basically just have to add 5/9, right? Because we get a smaller negative number, so I have to add a positive 5/9. So yeah, this checks out, okay? So let's go ahead and move on to the next one here. So I have a temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius is equivalent to a temperature increase of 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so what I want to do here is go ahead and let's solve for F. So this is going to be 5/9 and then F minus 32 in parentheses multiplied by 5/9. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 9/5 so that these are going to cancel out here. And then I'm going to have 9/5 C equals F minus 32, and I'll add 32 to both sides. So I'll end up with F equals 32, or actually, hang on, let me do it this way. Oops. I will have F equals 9/5 C plus 32. All right, guys, now it's saying a temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius is equivalent to a temperature increase of 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. So if I increase C plus 1, what's going to happen is I'm just going to get one more 9/5, okay, and it's going to add to this 32. So let's just figure out what is 9 divided by 5. Well, it's almost 2, right? It's basically 1.8, guys. And actually, sorry, it's 9/5. We'll just say that equals 1.8, okay? All right, so yeah, this has to be true, right? We're just adding a 1.8. So let's go to the third one here, and let's see if we can figure out if that is also true. So if this one says a temperature increase of 5/9 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to a temperature increase in 1 degree Celsius. Okay, so let's think about this. If I have C equals 5/9 and then F minus 32, if I increase this by 5/9, what would happen? Well, let's think about this for a second, okay? So let's say I start with something like F. Let me just make sure that I'm reading this correctly. Temperature increase of 5/9 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to a temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius. Okay. So let's say F equals 0, and then we're going to go to F equals 5/9. Okay, so I'm going to have C equals 5/9 negative 32, and then it's going to go to C equals 5/9 minus 32. And yeah, guys, this is not going to be equal to 1 degree. Okay, so if you run this through, that is not equal to 1, or an increase of 1 rather. Okay, so 3 is out. And that leaves us with 1 and 2 as our correct answer choices. So our answer is going to be D. All right, guys, so a little bit of a longer problem, but if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I will see you.